Okay guys, here we have a 10 by 14, I'm sorry, 10 by 20 canvas, and as you can see, I've already went ahead and prepared the back and put the stands, you know, the push pins in. These are giant push pins. They're very big, so they level my canvas really well. And the colors I'm going to be using is this Amsterdam Black. We have Amsterdam Black, and I added a little bit of Floetrol Blue. And after adding those, this is what I got. This color, it's almost black, but it's got a tint of blue. I hope you can see it. And then for the base, I'm only gonna use Amsterdam White. It's a little bit light, so that's how it looks like. It looks creamy. And in that mixture, I have Amsterdam White. I also have put Liquitex pouring medium. I put a little bit of GSE 800 and water to bring it to consistency. And I'm sorry, I forgot this Floetrol. The main ingredients for this is Floetrol, American Floetrol. So that is what I got by mixing. This is what I got by mixing those ingredients. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the table so we can make room for our painting. And all right, I have my torch here to get off the out the bubbles. I have my towel to clean up my knife, my palette knife here that I have if I need to use it. Okay, so today I'm being very using minimalistic approach for this painting. Grab your coffee, grab your wine, milk, shake, whatever you like to drink. Depends on what time of the day you're watching this. And let's get painting. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this. And the consistency for this one must be very runny, otherwise not like water runny, but yeah, it is a science here. You have to make sure that your consistency is very good, otherwise it's not gonna work. So let's go ahead and pour this. My canvas is leveled, hopefully, and then we'll see what we come up with. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. If you hear any noise of like AC running or a fan running, I've got a lot of stuff running in my house because it's very, very, very hot in here in Chicago. I think today it's I haven't checked the weather today, but I know it's hot. So maybe over 80 degrees Fahrenheit. No, most of my friends overseas use Celsius, but here we use Fahrenheit. So that's, I'm not sure how that would be. I think it will be, if you want to convert, but I think it will be like around, I don't know, 20, 30. I don't know. But I can always check it out for you. But anyway, it is about 85 to 90 degrees out here. We have the air conditioning going. We have fans going. Especially when I paint, I like to have my fan on because of, you know, the paints are acrylic. They're not toxic, but still, I like to have some fresh air when I paint around me. So yeah. hope you're all doing really well today, and enjoying the summer wherever you are. Yeah, I know in my country, it's kind of spring now. Because when we travel overseas to visit family in July, it is sometimes it's very cold at night. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying that. And yeah, here it's summer hot. Nothing to worry about. I mean, we're blessed that we actually have, we are here, we are healthy, so I can't complain. Very happy. Thank God for that. Okay, so that is nice and saturated here. I don't want to put too much because I'm going to end up pouring everything out anyway with my technique that I'm going to use. Alright, I am not going to bother with gloves because this is going to be a very quick and easy thing to do. And off we go. I have this little bowl. I'm going to try to save some paint. So whatever lands in that bowl, it's going to be saved and be reused. So yeah. Alright, so here is my black paint with a tint, with a touch of phthalo blue. So basically I'm just gonna pour it on top like this. Might have put too much, but that's okay. Alright. Add a little bit of my white around and then tilt. Just want to make sure that my camera is working here. I hear some noises coming out of it. Yeah, it is, but you might not be able to see all of it because all the painting when I'm doing it, because it is long and my camera is, it's not reaching. It's a 20 by 10. That's inches. So I'm not sure what is that in centimeters. Again, we have to convert. Yeah. All right. Well, let's go ahead and tilt this. Alright, you know what, I think I'm going to tilt it this way because this is a little bit better and longer. So if I tilt it this way all the way over, if you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Yeah, so guys, this is the painting. This is how it turned out. I actually ended up using a little bit swiping technique. I ended up swiping because the cells didn't turn out the way I want them to. I wanted them, so I used my palette knife and I just swiped the black paint over the white, and this is what I got, and I love it. I love the way it turned out. This is a wet painting. When it dries, I am going to show you how it looks when it's dry. So yeah, this is how it looks when it's wet right now, and I love it. It just looks really nice. The cells are not too big and not too small. They're just right. They're perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. And I like the middle is just really nice. Really nice negative space there. We don't need to add anything on it. Look at these brilliant cells that turn top. Yeah. It looks like marbles. It's just beautiful, black and cream, black and cream marbles. Wow. Awesome painting. So anyway, we'll wait for it to dry, and then we will see how it looks when it's dry. So much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.